Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making some curly gel for twist out and FLEXI red sets and whatnot. Anyway, so you're just going to start by putting all the ingredients listed before in a bowl. There's really no measurement, but you could use a teaspoon of each except for the oils where you use two drops of oil, and then you just mix everything together and your curl gel is set to go. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using some curl formats, so yeah, it's just the ones I'm going to use, and they're usually 10 inches or 6 inches long. Because my hair is in braids, I'm just going to use this wig to demonstrate how the curl gel works. So to begin, I'm just going to take some water and I'm going to wet the hair, because you do need to start with wet hair. And then I'm going to take a brush and brush it out, and then I'm going to start sectioning off my hair and hold it off with butterfly clamps. I'm going to wet my hair again. Yeah, I'm just showing you the different lengths of the curl formats I have. So to start this whole process, I'm going to take my curl gel and then I'm just going to rub it into the hair, and then I'm going to proceed and use the curl formats. I'm going to use the shorter curl formats at the back and then the longer ones at the top. I know this is going fast, but I'm going to slow it down so that you can see how to use the curl formats if you don't know how to use one. So yeah, I'm just going to start by sectioning off the hair. I'm going to section it how I want it to be, and then I'm going to spray some water on the hair, and then go in with my curl format. So you're going to put the stick, it comes with a stick, you're going to insert it through the curl format itself, and then you're just going to hook some on the hair and then pull it out. I'm going to repeat that again. You're going to wet the hair, put the gel on the hair, and then insert the stick through the curl format, hook the hair on the curl format, and then pull it out through the hair, and then it's just going to wrap up like this, and you're basically done. I'm going to do that for the other sides, and then I'm going to come back and show you how it looks when it's all dried up. So here's how your hair looks like after it's dry. I'm just going to take out the curl format, and as you can see, the curls are popping. They're nice. I let it air dry overnight, and they look so pretty. I totally love the curls on my wig. So you could leave it like this, or you could go ahead and separate it with your hands, or you just come through with your fingers and let it sit. It's going to give you kind of beach wave vibes, but more defined. You could also use a very white tooth comb for this. I'm going to go in with some hairspray, and I'm just going to spray that all over so that it maintains its curl. It doesn't lose its curl form. This is just a precaution because the gel is going to be strong. And then here is the same wig I did later with FLEXI rod, so that you can see how different it looks, but I still use the gel, so it's pretty, it's nice. You could do it both ways. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, leave a comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys. Stay blessed.